Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting on Toyota's competitive advantages and consumer behavior. Toyota is one of the most well-known automobile manufacturers in the world. It was founded in 1937 in Japan, and over the decades, it is expanded globally to many different countries. The company produces a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, sub, and hybrid cars. It is especially known for its focus on quality, durability, and long-term reliability. Because of this strong reputation, Toyota has become a trust brand for millions of customers worldwide when it comes to choosing a car. Now moving on Toyota's competitive advantages in the automobile industry. One of Toyota's strongest advantages is its reliability and durability. Many Toyota's vehicles are built to last for a long time. Even after many years of use, this reduces repair costs and increases customer satisfaction. Another important advantage is fuel efficiency. Toyota has invested heavily in hybrid technology, such as the Precious. This allows customers to save money on fuel, especially when fuel prices are high. In addition, Toyota has a very strong brand reputation over many years. It has built trust among customers by consistently delivering high-quality vehicles. Because of this reputation, many customers choose Toyota without hesitation. All of these advantages together make Toyota very competitive in the global market and help it maintain a strong position against other brands like Hyundai and others. Next to Toyota's target market or target segment, Toyota does not focus on just one type of customer, instead it targets multiple groups of people. The first group is families. Families often prefer Toyota because the cars are safe, precious, and reliable, making them suitable of daily use and long trip. The second trip is working professional. These customers usually need comfortable and fuel-efficient car for commuting to work every day. The third group is first-time car buyers. These people usually want a car that is affordable, easy to maintain, and trustworthy. Finally, Toyota also targets budget conscious customers who are looking for value for money. They want a reliable car that does not require high maintenance costs. By targeting all these groups, Toyota is able to reach a very wide customer base in the market. This is most important slide, which examines the factors affecting customer behavior when buying Toyota car. These are four main factors. First, professional factors. These include a customer age, lifestyle, professionality, and needs. For example, a family whose children may prefer a large car like a SUV, uh, while a single person may prefer a smaller, fuel-efficient car. Second, psychological factors. These include motivation, prescription, belief, and trust. Many consumers trust Toyota because they believe it is reliable, safe, which strongly influences their decision. Third, social factors. These refer to the influence of family, friends, and society. For example, if someone's friends or family recommend Toyota, they are more likely to consider buying it. Also, social media and trends can influence which people think about certain car brands. 4. E- Economic factors. These include income level, fuel price, and overall cost of ownership. If fuel price include customer may prefer Toyota because of its fuel efficiency, which helps reduce long-term costs. Similarly, people with lower income may choose Toyota because it's often affordable and reliable option compared to luxury brands. All of these factors work together and strongly influence customer decision-making in automotive market. To conclude, Toyota's success is based on three main strengths. These are reliability, fuel efficiency, and a strong brand reputation. These advantages are not only attract customers but also build long-term trust and loyalty in the market. Because of these strengths, Toyota remains a global market leader in the automotive industry and continues to appeal a very wide range of customers. Thank you for listening.